Hey guys, welcome to Matt Tech. Today we'll be learning how to unhide likes on Instagram, and now let's dive right in. Now to unhide likes on Instagram, first open up your Instagram app, and before we proceed guys, do make sure to subscribe to my channel because it gives me a lot of support. And that being said, at the bottom right corner of the screen you can see your profile picture icon in a small circle. At the bottom right corner, tap on your profile picture icon. And on this interface guys, at the top right corner of the screen you can see the three lined icons over there. At the top right, tap on over there, and over here again scroll down until you can find the like and share counts. Tap on the like and share counts under the category of what you see. You can see over here guys, just under the suggested content, tap on like and share counts. And over here at the top right corner of the screen you can see the toggle icon turned on for the hide like and share counts, and if you tap on it, your like on Instagram will be unhidden. And guys, this is how to unhide likes on Instagram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.